Today I am going to share you one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search price action volumetric order block. Now the indicator is applied. There is no changes in their settings. This indicator works good in 5 and 15 minutes time frame. This indicator also gives you the volumetric percentage. 4.953 millions volume and 10%. It means chance of probability of the price to raise up to 10% from the green zone. 8.237 million and 100%. It means chance of probability of the price to decrease 100% from the red zone. When the price touches the green dotted line and the price starts increasing from there, or price crosses above the green zone, buy the call. When the price touches the red dotted line and price starts decreasing from there, or price crosses below the red zone, sell the call. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.